My name's Jimmy Tooley. I'm the Vice President of the Residential Resilient Businesses for Mannington. And I'm here to take you on a tour of our new LVT. Very excited this year as we go into 2020 to be talking about launches at every single level of the LVT category. And we're going to start with our ADURA Selling Solution. The ADURA Selling Solution has been the most successful program that we've ever put in the market. And we're very excited to have a huge update this year. The ADURA Selling Solution is only about a year and a half old. But this will be the second very large update we've done because we know that the style and design in that display is so critical to be able to support that simple selling story. One of the keys for us this year is we want to be able to maximize Max. We want to maximize the ADURA Selling Solution. Max is a fantastic product that has performed flawlessly in the market. And it's a product that has a great story to the consumer, thicker, softer underfoot, quieter, so it's a beautiful luxury product, and you can get this in all of the new products that you're going to see here today. I'm going to lead with the first is Baltic Stone, which is a new tile for us. Baltic Stone is a beautiful slate product. You can see here it comes in an 18 by 18 and a 12 by 24. The 12 by 24 has a new feature for us that we're going to be putting into the ADURA Selling Solution this year, which is the painted bevel. The painted bevel on the Baltic Stone really gives the look and feel of real grout in that max and rigid construction. Whereas on the flex side, you glue that product down and you actually put real grout on it, and as you can see here, it's very difficult to tell them apart. In 2019, we had a huge tile update, and this year is very much a plank focus for us. So I'm going to be taking you through all of the new planks that we have. This is a big color story year for us, and we've heard the voice of customer, and the feedback that we've gotten is that we needed to lighten and brighten up, be a little less rustic and a little bit more modern, and so you're going to see a lot of the ads this year really be a color story. The first one that Lori's taking the video of now is Kona, and Kona is a beautiful acacia. Acacia has always performed really well for us, but traditionally have been very dark and red in coloration. And as you can see here, this is a very muted look and much a color story. So lighter and brighter colors, browns, less grays, and so a really nice coordination for the style and design of the new cabinets that are going into the home now. The next launch that we're going to be talking about is really just an update for us. And again, as we started to talk about the style and design ads of the painted bevels, you can see Margate Oak, which has been a traditional bestseller for us. We're going to be adding this product with a painted bevel on that max and rigid construction. Really makes those planks stand out. There's always been a lot of color play and plank to plank variation in the Margate Oak, but what you're seeing this year with that painted bevel is it really makes it pop. So it's a very nice ad for us in 2020. The next thing I want to show you, which I'm really in love with, is Manor. And Manor is a beautiful walnut product. Again, very much a color story. While this is a little bit darker with the browns, you can see this light color play in the spalting. Also, you can see the painted bevel that really makes those planks stand out and pop. Walnuts have always performed very well for us, and this is a very modern take on what we've done with the walnut products. And we look forward to putting these two colors in the product line this year. The last of the plank ads that we have is a beautiful European white oak. This is Parisian oak. Really enhances the style and design and kind of follows that Nordic design principle that we've been talking about so much. And you're going to see this product come in 4 different colors. Again, much lighter and brighter, beautiful painted bevel, a 7 by 48 inch plank. Goes with almost any type of design in the home. And you can step around to the other side and see the other colors that we're going to be offering. So this is going to come in 4 colors. So excited this year to be bringing one of the largest new product launches that we've ever had in the ADURA Selling Solution, and looking forward to having a great 2020.